Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on international trade law. This is part 7. Now, the questions. Question number 1. With the globalization of markets, the tastes and preferences of consumers worldwide are A. Becoming similar to the tastes and preferences of American consumers. B. Converging upon a global norm. C. Being encouraged by multinational organizations to become increasingly similar. D. So different that they can be ignored by international organizations. The correct option is B. Converging upon a global norm. 2. Which organizations is trained on the liberalization of foreign investment and foreign trade? Here from among the options given, correct option is C. World Trade Organization. 3. Tax on imports can be treated as, correct option is B, trade barriers. 4. The main reason behind MNC's investments are, correct option is D, to increase the assets and earn profits. 5. Which institute supports investments and foreign trade in India? Correct option is B, World Trade Organization. 6. When management believes or assumes that the home country is superior and the needs of the home country are most relevant in terms of doing business internationally, then management is thought to have A oblique and dash business orientation. The correct option is D, ethnocentric. 7. Which of the following represents a company's effort to identify and categorize groups of customers and countries according to common characteristics? The correct option is B, global market segmentation. 8. Regionalism is, correct option is B, the grouping of countries into regional clusters based on geographic proximity. 9. Within an international context, what are the economies of scope synonymous with? A. Decreased cost per unit of output. B. Buying components in bulk. C. Reusing a resource from one business oblique country in additional business or countries. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. 10. According to the concept of the value chain of an international firm is profitable if, correct option is A, the value it commands exceeds the costs involved in creating the product. 11. The currency used to buy imported goods is, correct option is B, the seller's home currency. 12. If the United States sells beef to Japan, the US beef producer is paid with, correct option is B, dollars. 13. When Safeway supermarkets in the United States buys strawberries from Mexico, correct option is C, it must use pesos to pay Mexican farmers. 14. A country records its international finance accounts in its, correct option is A, balance of payment accounts. 15. Which organizations is trained on the liberalization of foreign investment and foreign trade? It is World Trade Organization. Correct option is C. 16. The main reason behind MNC's investments are, correct option is D, to increase the assets and earn profit. 17. Which country has the highest inflation rate in the world? A. South Sudan. B. Venezuela. C. Argentina. D. Iran. Correct option is B. Venezuela. About Venezuela, it is said that it has the highest inflation of any country in the world. In 2018, in fact, the country's inflation was expected to reach 13,70,000%, 1 crore percent in 2019. Venezuela's shrinking economy is causing large fiscal deficits, which the government is financing by printing money, contributing to further inflation. 18. If Japan and Pakistan start free trade, difference in wages in two countries will be, correct option is B, decrease. 19. Net exports equal, exports minus imports. Correct option is C. 20. Which of the following questions do companies not need to consider before deciding to export? The correct option is D. What is the variability of the home country's import tariff? 20. Rest other points, I mean A, B, C, they consider. 21. Which one among the following is the correct descending sequence of India's import of commodities in terms of value? The correct option is A. Precious metals and stones, electronic goods, capital goods, and fertilizers. 22. Which among the following products is usually not exported from India? Correct option is D. Pulses. Because India is one of the exporters of pulses. Now, Indian government banned the export of pulses to meet the growing domestic demand. Even though India is the largest pulses producer of the world, it imports large amount of pulses from rest of the world. 23. India has witnessed a number of acute problems immediately prior to the implementation of economic reforms in the early 90s. Among the following, which was severe and unmanageable? Correct option is B. Balance of payments crisis. 24. Export-Import Bank of India was established in, correct option is B, 1982. 25. On the basis of the size and composition of the external debt, World Bank has classified India as, correct option is B, moderate indebted country. 26. The balance of payments account is conventionally divided into current account and capital account. Correct option is A. 27. Which one of the following theories say that to export was good and to be encouraged, but to import was bad and to be discouraged? This was mercantilistic theory. In fact, one of the important theories of international trade. So correct option is D. 28. A letter of credit means a bank agreeing to accept and pay on due date. Correct option is A. 29. Which among the following are important bodies of WTO? 1. Dispute settlement body. 2. NAFTA. No, NAFTA is not the part of WTO. 3. Trade policy review body. Yes. ASEAN. No. Council of Trade in Goods. Correct. Council of Trade related aspects intellectual property right. Correct. And correct and appropriate combination. So your correct option is C. First, third, fifth, and in fact 7th. 30. Foreign exchange and foreign currencies in India are governed by FEMA Act. Correct option is C. 31. Physical delivery of foreign exchange has to take place in case of, correct option is B, spot market. 32. Identify a factor that does not play an important role in attracting FDI. Correct option is A from among the options available. Language. 33. India is an emerging economy. Correct option is A. 34. Typically, the last step in the internationalization process, correct option is A, licensing. 35. Which of these is oblique are the characteristic of licensing agreement? A. The licensor might provide access to some of its patents or trademarks. B. The licensor might provide access to technology. C. It might be used to avoid the risks of foreign involvement. D. E. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 36. Amalgamation and rapid unification between countries can be identified as, correct option is A, globalization. 37. Globalization has improved in the living structure of all the people worldwide. Correct option is A. 38. Which Indian industries have been hit by globalization? Toy making. Correct option is C. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that if you liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of